Hi folks, just a quick video to show you a technique to remove a seized up rotor. This one's been sitting overnight. It's had the usual WD-40 rock oil to try and free it up. I've even tried the sledgehammer approach, tapping carefully here, there, but it's no for moving at all. And rather than keep going to the welly, I've discovered this wee technique that's quite effective because it helped me with the other one that wasn't coming off. So we'll see if it works on this and I'll show you, and you can try it at your own risk. Here goes. So what I'm using here is a wee bolt, a couple of big washers and a nut, and obviously a wee wrench and a spanner which fits the nuts and the bolt. So let's go, I'll show you what to do with them. So we use the nut and the bolt to insert through the caliper mounting opening, and to position it as such against the back of the rotor disc. That's it from the rear. So we'll apply the tools and see if we can get the torque to push it off now. So hopefully you can see that okay and you can get the idea what's going on here. So using a ratchet, put the ratchet on the back of the nut here, and we use our spanner on this side here, and we're basically applying pressure here. So here it goes. We continue to hold the nut in place and use the wrench for applying pressure. We should be getting torque on it now. Should be a big bang. There you go. Big bang. That was well seized on. Now you should be able to see what happened there, and the pressure has been applied to the disc, and now the rotor should just fall off. There you go. Pretty well seized on in areas there, and a wee look at the facing plate there. Here's a wee look inside the rotor that's been taken off. You can just see where we applied the pressure there through the bolt, and you can also see all the corrosion in there where it's seized against the mating surface. Anyway, it's off now, so time for a replacement. So there you go. There's the nut and the bolt and the washers. I hope that was helpful. And don't blame me if things snap. All the best. Cheers.